So hey folks, and welcome back to our channel. And this video we are going to assemble the Hyosung GV250 or Aquila 250. So last video we have assembled the air filter. So in this video we are going to assemble all the seats, the batteries, the spark plugs, and the radiator covers, everything. So stay tuned and watch this video. So this oil cooler comes with a meshed grill, so it's used to avoid stone chippings and all. So as it's an OEM fitment, you don't need to buy an aftermarket one. So as this vehicle is a twin cylinder, so this has two ignition coils. So the firing order should be maintained and the right clips should be plugged in. And talking about the tank looks huge, but the capacity is way too less. Also, as a fuel injection, so it has a fuel pump in it, and so that's the reason why these two connectors are there. apart from one or two fuses in a regular vehicle, this vehicle comes with multiple fuses, so the diagnostics could be easy. So talking about battery, so this vehicle requires a 9Ah battery. So the reason why is this vehicle comes with fuel injection. The second thing is obviously this vehicle is a twin cylinder. So the cranking force should be more to spin the vehicle. So that's the reason why this vehicle comes with a 9Ah battery. So these three are the relays. So the headlamp, the starter relay, and the ignition relay, coil relay. Okay. So those who are owning this vehicle try to apply some grease or put lube in this bolt, because this bolt is directly onto the wheel. Okay, so it gets dirt and mud and gets rusted too soon. That's the reason why I'm using a lot of WD-40 over here. Coming to this footrest, I couldn't find it in any local shops or any online, so just I had to import it. So it costed around 2500 bucks, so which is way too costly for a footrest. So I did a small jugaad on this one. Okay, I just bought a Royal Enfield footrest rubber, so, and I inserted a small bolt, and I'll just insert it into that hole and put a nut now on the bottom, so that it will be fixed properly. So to hide that bolt head, I'll just use some insulation tapes, so it will be good. Thanks for watching this video guys. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel.